guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I'm doing one of the subscription boxes. I don't do too many of the subscription boxes mainly because I have kind of restricted myself towards doing only the ones which I feel is value for money and which I feel is really worth it and can also be converted in a cool gift. So today I have the guess what subscription box for you. Of course you know it from the title and I kind of really like it. So let's get started with the video. But before I proceed, I would just quickly tell you that I have a very exciting giveaway coming up probably in a week's time, I guess. No, in probably 1 or 2 weeks time, and it is a very exciting giveaway. I really cannot disclose the details as of now because of course it is a sponsored giveaway. By sponsored, I do not mean that I'm being paid. By sponsored, I mean that the gift that will reach to you will be paid by the company and you get to actually choose your product. So I'm very excited for you guys. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, hit that bell button as well so that you get the notification, because one of these days I would be announcing the giveaway and it is going to be great. I promise you, you're gonna love it. So I feel this channel of mine has actually turned into a haul / giveaway channel, but nonetheless I'm excited. I'm happy if you guys are happy. So let's get started with today's video. Today we are talking about the guess what subscription box. As I told you guys, itna dheere isliye bola because guess what subscription I cannot do that. So guess what subscription box. So as the name tells you, it does not actually reveal the products that is in there, but it gives you 5 to 8 different kind of products. So in this box you can actually expect beauty, fashion, makeup, lifestyle, footwear, food, anything you think of it and you can really expect in this box. The price of this particular box is slightly steep. It is $15.99, but sometimes I feel that it is quite worth it. This month's edition, which is the October edition, is called as the Festival edition and it is a super exciting box. Of course, I always peep into my boxes so that I can give you a better perspective of it and not just unbox in front of you guys and be totally clueless. So that's why I have opened everything up and it comes in a cardboard packaging. Everything is safe and sound and secure. So inside of the cardboard packaging there is this bag. So of course the bag is usable. It is a kind of a tote bag, very nice sturdy bag. It has a zipper thing on top and it also has compartments inside of it. So it is actually a proper functional bag which of course you can use, which is really nice for a casual wear. Let me put you there. So this is the first item that I would consider in the bag. Now moving on to the things that we have inside of it. So the first thing that caught my eye was this box. I really love this box and I was like, wow, kya hai isme? Let me just find out. So it is actually a cup. It's actually a sipper and it says this summer with ice cup. It can be used as a summer cup. Of course, it can keep your cool drinks cooler. But of course, I love to use it mainly because I'll tell you why. First, I'll show you the product. So inside of it, in this bubble wrap, we have this sipper thing right here, which says this is my drink. It is a beautiful cup and it is such a good quality cup. I cannot tell you. It is so good quality. I've started drinking more of water and these kind of cups actually make it really handy. So whenever I fill this up and I keep it on my table, I make sure that I sip my drink as opposed to, you know, pouring the water into the glass or just directly having it from the bottle. These kind of cups actually make me drink water. I don't know what's the deal with it, but I just love having my drinks, especially water, from these kind of cups. So this comes really handy and I cannot tell you the quality of this one. It is so sturdy. It is going to last you forever. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. They have cute colors in this one. I love this color. It's very beautiful. It also comes with a straw. The straw is somewhere inside of it. So yes, this is the first thing which I'm very excited about. And also guys, I forgot to show you that this bag comes with a charm. It is a squirrel, a pyara sa cute sa gileri. It's so cute. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of charms and dangly things on my bag, you guys know, but for some reason I really like it. It's so cute. See, it's so cute. It's a baby cute thing, so I love you. It is a kind of a key ring, so of course you can detach it and use it for your key, or you can just let it keep hanging over here, whatever suits you. Then inside of it there is this really beautiful pouch. I mean, I love their packaging. It is super amazing and you just open it from the top and I'll just pull out things one by one. So the first thing that actually caught my attention, so we have 10 of the Rangoli colors because of course it is the festival edition. How can you not have Rangoli colors? These are such beautiful colors. These are supposedly the coarse colors, and if you do not know this about me, I love to make Rangoli. I have made a lot of Rangoli during my college years. I just love making Rangoli, and I love these colors. It is beautiful, and I'm definitely going to use it. These colors are really pretty, actually, very beautiful colors, but these are not those regular Rangoli colors. These are kind of coarse. If I'm able to give you a close-up shot of it, I'll give you. It is very beautiful. Nowadays you have stencils of Rangoli, but I guess there's nothing like it when you actually draw the Rangoli using your hands and then put some diyas around. It is beautiful. I mean, stencil is also good. It is easier and quicker, but I guess the time that you take and the patience with which you actually drop the colors, I think that is so soothing, and I feel like it is such a meditation itself. I love making Rangolis, so I'm definitely going to use it. I love it. Thank you, Guess What Box. Then moving on to the other thing inside of it. I don't know what is the purpose of this one, but it is a cute dog. I love dogs, and but not super excited about this one because it definitely smells of cheap plastic, and but it is cute. Yeah, so that was the third thing. Moving on to some tea light candles. Again, why I'm sharing this box is because I have everything which is my favorite in this box. I love scented candles, especially during this time of the year. November, December and January. This is the time when you can actually have candles in your house, and what better than having the scented candles. This time they have given, actually in this box they have given 12 scented tea light candles. I have already used one of it. So this is what it looks like. It is in a beautiful flower shape, and it is really, I mean, of course this is going to be really useful during the Diwali time. I'm excited about this one. Oh, we have some of the brushes. We have only 2 makeup brushes, but we do have makeup brushes. So this is a unicorn one. I do have these kind of makeup brushes, and the quality is exactly the same that I have. It's a good quality makeup brush. So there's this one which is kind of a little flat. No, it is not little. It is flat on the top and it is angled, so it is perfect to put your highlighter or your concealer as well. It can be a great concealer brush. Yes, it can be a great concealer brush. And then we also have one of these brushes which is like super, you know, dense, and it is thick. And again, this beautiful unicorny thing over here. It can be a great blush brush, but I guess it can also be a great foundation brush. Yes, it can be a great foundation brush. So these are 2 brushes that you get in this subscription box, and these are really good quality brushes. I have the entire pack of this one. I've also made a giveaway of this particular makeup brushes. So if you are the one who have won it, do let me know how you like the quality of it. So yes, 2 makeup brushes. Then we have I'll keep the best for the last and then show you. We have a lot of things over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm sorry, there was one more, 5. There are 5 Munch chocolates. So I ate one of it. In any subscription box, if there is a chocolate, I'm sorry, वो कभी आपको पूरा नहीं दिखेगा because मैं उसमें से कुछ ना कुछ खा चुकी होंगी. So yes, we have 5 of the Munch chocolates, and anything eatable in a subscription box is always a welcome, especially with me. I'm a booker, you guys know. I love these chocolates. Then we have the straw to the cup. This is the straw to the cup. To this cup, so of course it comes with a straw. And then we have an earring. So it is a very beautiful rustic gold color earring, something which is not really very unique, but of course wearable. This is what it looks like, gold color. And this one is kind of very lightweight. It's kind of this circular thing right here, and it has some designs inside of it. It's beautiful and it is very lightweight. That is the first thing that I noticed. Very wearable. And then we have a lipstick in here. So this is called as, this is by the brand, I'm not really sure. It says this is Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is by Swiss Beauty. So this is the lipstick, and this is more like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and also the Miss Claire ones, exactly like that, made by Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty is a company. Of course it is a company, so it is not just any random brand. Swiss Beauty is a company. I don't know how good it is, but it is definitely a brand. The color looks like this. It is a very what do you call, a terracotta color, I would say. Not really red, but terracotta red. I'll just give you a swatch of it right over here. And it doesn't have that fragrance of the NYX liquid lipstick or the Miss Claire one. It doesn't have a fragrance at all, and it's a beautiful, it's not terracotta, it's actually red. Yeah, it's a beautiful red color, and it is a liquid lipstick. So because I guess during the festivals and also during the winters, this is the color that we can always wear. Looks really nice, the formula is nice, and one swipe application always better. So yes, this is a lipstick, very good box actually. It has everything inside of it. And last but not the least, we have an eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is also by Swiss Beauty. If you guys have used anything from Swiss Beauty, do let me know how the quality of this is like. Now this is called as Fashion Artist Eyeshadow and Blusher Palette. So it is also a blusher palette, and this is in the shade number 03. It definitely has paraben in it. So if you are, paraben is a chemical component, guys, that is used in all the beauty products to increase the shelf life of the product. But in some cases, paraben is also harmful to us, can trigger some cancerous genes and all of that. I do not know the entire medical thing about it, but yes, paraben can be harmful, but they increase the shelf life of a beauty product. So in most of the beauty products, they always have paraben as an ingredient. So this one also has one. I'll quickly show you what this palette actually looks like. So the palette comes in a packaging like this. Inside of it, this cute palette. I mean, it's a huge palette. It has a lot of things. I guess they also have a highlighter. It has a blusher. It has, I guess, a contour shade as well. The packaging is really nice, as you can see. And then as I open it, these are the colors. So we have a lot of neutral colors in this one, lots and lots of neutral colors. You also have a highlighter, which is amazing. So here in the last row, they have given, I mean, of course you can use it as contour, but you can also use it as blush. There's a blush shade, and there's also this highlighter shade over here, and there's really cute colors. So it has all these beautiful colors in it. They also have a good selection of mattes and shimmery shades. These are not glittery, but beautiful shimmery shades and beautiful colors. I mean, the selection of colors is amazing. I am a person who goes very much for the neutral eyes, but still I would use this palette to its completion. I mean, I'm going to use all the colors. So I will definitely give you the swatches right here on the screen, and even the blush shade and the highlighter shade and this contour or the blush shade is also really good. So I'm quite happy with this palette. In general, if you've to ask me, I'm quite happy with this entire Guess What subscription box for the month of October. I guess it is a totally worth it box, and if you, of course, if you want to make a present of it to somebody, I guess this is going to be a very unique gift to someone. So do let me know your opinion on this particular subscription box. Overall, I really like this box. It is pricey. $15.99 is not that affordable for a subscription box. They have actually included products worth ₹4,000, and they have cut down the price of the box to $15.99, which I think is appropriate, especially if you want to gift it to somebody. These kind of cups come in really expensive also, because this is a very good quality cup. When you receive this box, you will understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, for all the details and everything, the purchase link and everything, this is not a sponsored video. If you want to have the purchase link or anything, I'll give it in the description box below. They also have an Instagram page, so I'll leave all the links in the description box below for you guys, just if in case you want to check that out. So that's about it. Do let me know which is your favorite thing. Do let me know about your opinion, because I really learn a lot from you guys talking in the comment section. I just wanted to tell you guys that a lot of you have been asking me to do the hashtag Ask Sana or a Q&A series. So if you have any questions, make sure that you put in the comment section as well with hashtag Ask Sana, because that way it will be easier for me to locate your questions and answer them. I'm planning to do a Q&A / hashtag Ask Sana, where you can ask me anything about me, where you can ask me anything in general as well, where you can ask me any of your doubts, anything that you have in mind, just put in the comment section below, and I will be probably shooting the video, within 2 or 3 days. So I'll be taking the questions from today, tomorrow and day after. So for 3 days I'll be taking in the questions. So make sure that if you have any questions, put in the comment section below. Let's know each other well. So I would love to do this series. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have liked this video, make sure that you give this video a quick like. I would really appreciate it. Also make sure that you're subscribed for the coming giveaway. It is a festival season and this channel is a giveaway channel, so of course you're going to get a lot of gifts. So make sure that you're subscribed. Also make sure that you hit that bell button so that you get the notification about all my coming videos. So that's about it, guys. I do not feel like going away from you, so that's why I'm talking a lot, but then I have to, so that I can come back again. So I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself and I love you very much. Bye guys. Mwah.